A very good morning, children. I am Shupra Pani. Welcome to Success EduTech, and I am here with the next lesson of Marigold book. It's the Bird Talk. It's a poem where the bird feels the people are funny, and you are going to listen this talk of bird, and you can understand what they feel and what they have to say. So there are two birds here. They are Robin and Jay, and what they are talking, what they feel, and what they converse with each other, we are going to learn in this poem. Bird talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said Jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't sit like sitting on wires and things. Things said Robin, things said Jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Alien Fisher. So this poem was written by Alien Fisher, where he tells about the conversation between two birds, that is Robin and Jay. You can see the two birds, one is Robin and one is Jay. And what are they saying? Think, said Robin. Robin is saying to Jay to think, and even Jay is saying to Robin to think. Where are they sitting? They are sitting in the garden and they are talking. What are they talking? They are talking. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They are saying that think about the people, how they are growing, the way they are growing, and they don't have feathers, they don't have wings. And what how you know they don't at all have feathers, and they think the way they grow. They don't eat beetles. Beetles means insects. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. That means they don't eat insects, neither they have the wings to grow. They don't like sittings on the wires and things. They don't like sitting on the wires like the birds. They like to sit on the wires and they sit in a group, but the people, they don't like sitting on the wires or the things. Things, said Robin. Things, said Jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? That means what are they saying? They are saying that don't you think people are funny, that neither they have feathers, nor they have wings, nor they eat beetles, nor they sit on wires or things, and they feel people funny, that they don't do these all things. So this was a funny conversation between the two birds, that is Robin and Jay. And hope you have understood this poem. And here there are some new words like beetles, sitting, wires, and funny. Beetles means insects. Sitting means when you sit on a place. Wires are the thick wires which you see on the picture here, where the birds are sitting. And funny is something peculiar or joking. So these are the new words. You are going to underline these words. In the next class, we are going to learn the meaning of these words, and we will form sentences from these words. And we are also going to complete our exercises, which is there at the end of the lesson. And hope you have enjoyed this, and understood this, and looking forward for the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.